Welcome everyone. Let's start our market. Today is really crazy. We have a bit of drawback for BBBY. APE is going down a bit, but still holding our ascending line. We'll check which stock will... Okay, we'll check which stock will be on our list for today. I'm watching APE closely. If we broke the $1.58, I will add my position. BBY is still have a struggle to overcome this resistance here around the $5.08 around this ascending line. Breakout will be the $5.72. Before we start our video, a disclaimer, is not a financial advice here. You should think that trading is really risky and don't follow me blindly, okay? So this is really important for day trading if you're new here. So BBY doing really great right now. It's starting to have a pullback now around this ascending line. So we'll see if we have a breakout from this breakout zone, the $5.27. Let me check. We have Speed Galactic. I'm watching closely around the $5.05. We have a bit of rejection. The $5.65 would be the breakout zone. ARVL have a breakout now. Let me just check. ARVL breaking out. Let me just check if we could actually make a trade right now. Now it's really gone. We should have actually entered here around this breakout zone. So see a bit of pullback to enter for this trade. Okay, BBY getting down. APE is still holding. We'll try to have a breakout from the $1.58. ARVL breaking out. Let me just check if we have a pullback to enter for this trade. It's looking really good. GSPR, no. ARPN, maybe. So we have ARVL, yeah, doing good. Let me just check if we could enter on this trade. If we held the 68 would be a good trade. Let me just check if we have a pullback. 74 cents. Come on. The 80 will be the first profit taken actually. We should have actually entered around the 68. Let me see. Still pulling back. It's good. Pulling back. Let's see if it pull it back some more. Around the 70. Yeah. Going back. We want to see a pullback and holding above the 68. Around this area. People taking profit now. That's why it's not good to enter really high. We already did 35%. APE haven't pulled back now. There's a potential for a break for the $1.58. We see an entry right now if we broke the $1.58. Yeah, BBY is still holding with the $4.67. This is the support for today. The $5.27 will be the breakout right now. I'm watching BBY. If we have a breakout for $5.27, enter for a profit taken around the $5.72. Let me just check. APE still holding. Space Galactic bounce from this support. ARVL still holding. Okay, perfect. We see a pullback. Perfect. Let me just enter right now. Yes, pullback. Go. Okay, let me just check if we could actually take profit and see. Okay, we need to hold above the 68 to continue toward the 80 cent. Let me just check. SPS, okay, it's good. Boom. Okay. Let's see how much we did from here to there. 10%. 10%, 80 cents should be our first profit taken for this one. SPCE, no. APE is still holding. BBY is going down. It's going down heavily. Let me just check this one. GSPR, APRN, and ARVL still holding. The market is a bit down when we started today. For all the stock that on my watch list, APRN is still holding. There's a potential for squeeze. Oh man, this one squeeze. Perfect. We're gonna take our profit. Perfect. Take our profit 300%. Okay, we have 300 for this one. Triggered our profit taken. Perfect. Let me just check. Yeah, we went until the 80 cent as we suggested. The 80 cent. Perfect pullback. We have a clear breakout from the 68 and the price is still pumping. Starts pumping. The next profit taken should be the 97 cent. Oh man, this one is pumping. This is doing good. This is doing good. Let me check. I will be extremely careful right now. I will be extremely careful. You know what's gonna happen now? A bit of rejection. I will wait until we have a bit of pullback around this support. And the price is still going up. We already took our profit for this stock. We entered around this area. As we said, there's a pullback and then we went up. This is the entry point. Look with me. This is the entry point for this stock. And the profit taken, we took around the 80 cent. We took 8% for this trade. Quick trade, it's just few seconds. If you came here late, we already took this first trade for today. Really great trade for us. And now this stock is still continue to go up around the 20% profit taken, the 97 cent. What's gonna be? This is our support right now. Let me just turn it to red and gonna continue to go higher. Boom, 85% is still going up. APE is having a struggle to overcome the $1.58. I will be extremely careful. I'm not entering until we enter the bullish momentum and squeeze over the $1.58. Already put my alert for APE around the $1.58. BBY now is a short opportunity. A short opportunity for BBY to go toward the $3.39. If we have a closing candle right now, 5-minute candle below the $4.62, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure toward the $3.39 because we got rejected. As we said, the $5.27 is our rejection area. That's why I didn't initiate my trade for BBY. We have to be extremely careful, okay? Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Plus the like button and the way in. Yes. We got Peter Pan in the house. We got Emily. We got Nico. So if you just came here, we already did some trade. ARVL is going to the second profit taken, the 0.97 cent. It was really good trade for us for ARVL. As we said, the breakout zone was around the 68 cent and the price went to our the second profit taken. As we said in the beginning of our video, when we had the first profit taken there and the second profit taken, as we said, the 97 cent. Space Galactic is short, is getting shorted. I'm not enter this one. I will put it high up because it's not good trade. CVNA got rejected, 9% down. HOLO, still we need have a breakout from the 8. PRTY is not good trade. RDHL, I don't like this stock. Okay, TNXP, okay, doing good. This one doing good. Let me just check if we could actually make a trade for this one. First profit taken triggered. But is a bit risky to enter now. We have 6%. Yeah, this is looking good. Maybe APRN is going up. GSPR, no. ARVL getting rejected around the second profit taken. I will wait. BBY still holding above the $4.63. So we have 3 stock on our list now. We have APE, we have ARVL. We already took profit around 80 cents. Now we're getting rejected. And we have BBY is reversing from our support, as we said, the $4.63. So let's see if we could open a trade now for BBY. Let me just put 10,000. Let me just check how much. It's a bit risky now. I will wait until we clear the $5.27 to have a clear indication for bullish momentum. Otherwise, we might see this reaction, test this ascending line, and continue to go down for a huge bearish momentum. I will wait. Now I will wait for BBBY. It's not clear entry yet. ARVL, let me just go in the smaller picture and see if we could make another trade for ARVL. Welcome everybody, welcome everybody. Charlie in the house. Poppy. We're gonna check the stocks that request a stock later, because now we trading. We have 3 stocks on our watch list, so we have to be focused for another entry for ARVL. I'm watching it closely. Now it's going down as we suggested. Always take profit on the way. We got rejected and the second profit taken, the 97. That's why we took our profit there. So now there's a potential for reversal for this stock here. We need to have a reversal. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off. What's gonna be? What's gonna be? APE still holding. BBY is still holding this support. Let me just hold this one. There's a possible reaction now. Let me just put a buy limit order around the 77 and see what's gonna happen. Boom, here. Boom, buy limit order. 10, 0.77. Let me just check if the markets went down a bit. If we dipped from this support, the 80, we might see a reversal around the 77. Let me just check. If we dipped, we do buy limit order, or we're gonna buy right now. Let me just check how much we could risk right now. 2% 40. No, I will wait. I will wait. Let's see if we go around the 0.77 and reverse. And how much we could lose. Let me just check. Okay, let me just put around the 0.77 buy limit order. We might see a reaction for the market here and reversed. Let me just check what's gonna be. BBY is going down again. That's why we didn't buy. As we said, is really risky right now. Is a bit bearish. APE is still struggling. There is someone buying APE right now. There is a potential for a huge pump for APE after we clear the $1.58. I'm waiting to add my position for APE after we clear the $1.58. ARVL, we might see a reversal around the 0.77. Let me just check if we have a reversal. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go back. Oh man, it's reversing right now. Let me just check. We might see a huge reversal right now from the support, the 80 cent. Let me just buy now. A bit smaller position. Smaller position. Buy. Okay, so we just add now for ARVL. Small position. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. Stop loss, really tight stop loss, just below the 78 to see if we held. Otherwise, we're gonna have the test around this area. $0.80. No, we're gonna go back down. Let me just go back. Still holding. Still holding. It's gonna be. It's really tight. It's really tight. 80 cents. 78. Get out with a bit loss. Let me just check. I'm gonna take even the 77 out. I don't trust it. I might see a big dive now. I don't like this huge selling pressure right now after we get near the support. Let me just adjust this and wait for this test around the 77, yeah, or the 78. APE is still holding $1.58. BBY is going down. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge price down for BBY right now. If we clear the $4.63, we might see a huge dip now for BBY because we don't overcome this level of resistance. Yeah, ARVL is still holding, yeah. We went until the 0.77 as we suggested. Yeah, this is the real support. We might see a reversal now, a huge reversal at 2%. This is the bottom, should be the bottom. Let me just check the breakout zone for this one, for possible entry maybe. Let me just put this in orange. Yes, BBY is getting shorted officially, man. It's getting officially shorted. We're gonna see a dip now. We're gonna see a dip in this box. Let me just put the box for potential buy opportunity for BBY. Let me just put this here. This is where we should actually enter for BBY. Let me just check. Yeah, a big dip will happen now after we got rejected yesterday around the $5.72 and just on the market open around the $5.27. So there's a huge dip here around this purple box. Will happen if we close this red candle, 15-minute candle below this red line, which is the $4.63. We're gonna have this reaction. Price will go around this area, have a bit of buying pressure, and then pump again. Here, this should be the support. APE still struggling. ARVL, yes, gonna reverse now from the 77 cent. 77 cents should be the bottom in order to go higher, because if we went around the 68, I don't like it. Would be a weakness for the stock. No, it's going up. It's going up from our reversal, the 0.77. Yeah, as we suggested, the 0.77 is the bottom. And now we're gonna go higher toward the 84 at least. Let me just check how much. Yeah, 8% from there. Man, this one we hunted before, if you remember, around the $3.09, and the price went yeah, around the $3.40 last Friday, and this Friday we were up actually 128%. So this is a really good swing trade for HOLO. APE is still holding. BBY is diving down. Is diving. Yeah, is diving now. Huge short will open. ARVL going back again. Yeah, it's still, there's a huge selling pressure. That's why I didn't like it, you know, around the 80 cents. That's why we get out with a bit of loss, just 1% loss. We already did 10% on this trade, you know, so we just give a bit of back. So the most important thing is know when you get out, because when you enter here, we took a profit around the 80 cents, you know, and this was almost, let me just check from this dip. Yeah, around this, around the 8 cents. Let me just check. Yeah, almost 10%. Then we give a bit back when the price dipped here, almost 10%. So we did 8%. And now we dip below the 77%. That's why we didn't, we closed the buy limit order around the 77, because I don't trust the stock anymore. Now I don't trust the stock. I will wait until we see clear support. APE is getting shorted as well, like BBY. Yeah, BBY is getting shorted. We're gonna fill this gap. We're gonna fill this gap in a few minutes, so watch out for this gap around the $3.39. Let me just do this. Go in the big picture. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, this one will be filled. ARVL is still holding. Yeah, it's gonna pump. If we hold this level of support, we're gonna have another pump. This breakout zone, the 69, yeah. 69 would be a really great support. Yeah, APE is getting shorted officially, man. It's getting shorted. APE is getting shorted. So what's gonna happen now? ARVL is still holding, BBY is getting shorted, GSPR is still holding up. Okay, GSPR is looking good for a breakout around the $2.50. $2.50 will be a breakout zone. APRN still not moving. TNXP 9% up. We have a breakout again around this level, the $1.26. Okay, TNXP looking good. We might see 24% for TNXP around the $1.63 profit taken. I will watch TNXP now for possible trade, and stop loss should be around this level now. Yeah, this is the stop loss around the $1.20. I need to hold the $1.20 for a possible continuation for this stock. Let me just check. 8% for 20% profit taken. Yeah, big wide stop loss for this one. High risk, high reward, I know. And this one is waiting to be pumped again, 34%. If we bumped from the $2.51, GSPR on our list, let's check. BBY, it's got shorted. Let me just put GSPR and TNXP for possible trade right now, and ARVL. Yeah, ARVL doing good, holding. This possible breakout zone again for ARVL. TNXP $1.30. GSPR. Yeah, the volume is a bit light for TNXP, just 2 million, so I'll be extremely careful. ARVL, we might enter again above the 81, so I'll be watching for another trade after we clear the 81 resistant. What's going on? TNXP is pumping. GSPR is still holding. Welcome George, welcome Elite. Hello everybody. Plus the like button and the weigh-in. Now we do live trade, so we're gonna cover all the requested stock later on. Today is really hot market, so we watching those stocks now on our list. We have GSPR is waiting to be have another squeeze around the $2.51. TNXP. TNXP. Okay, let's initiate our trade now for TNXP because look really juicy. Where's TNXP? Let me just put it. TNXP. Boom, TNXP. Let's initiate a trade at the moment. It's because it's pumping. Let me just put this $1.31, and here let me just check. Yeah, it's pumping. The support should be the $1.20. And let me just initiate a trade. I put at least, let's put 6,000 shares and buy. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Average price is around the $1.32. Yeah, we have a bit of slippage anyway. So this is the price of trading high volatile stock. As we said, the $1.20 should be the support. The other profit taken for TNXP is around the $1.63, but I will put another profit taken around the $1.39 just in case. First profit taken, then the $1.36. ARVL is still holding. We will initiate another trade for this one when we break the 81. TNXP $1.31. GSPR, oh man, GSPR is about to break the $2.52, going back a bit. APE is going down, is shorted heavily. SPAC, man, this one is going down. I don't like it now. Didn't respect the support, so I'll take it from our list. CVNA, okay, got shorted as we said around the $8.54. So this is the breakout zone, going to fill this support. Oh man, this one is squeezing. Oh man, this one is squeezing. Going back, going back. Yes, yes, HOLO is squeezing. Let me just open a trade right now. Man, this one is gonna pump. Let me just go. Everybody remember this one already did 100%. Oh man, this one is pumping. Let me just open and trade at the moment. Yeah, I can't open a big position, so just put small position because it's really risky. Just 500 euros, you know, not big deal. Okay, perfect. We just initiate this trade. There's a possible the top target for this stock is around the $15 and the $13, and the stop loss is of course around the $6.22. And now we see a bit selling pressure is a normal, so 4%. I will let it go. PRTY is oh man, it's getting shorted. APE still holding. Let me just take PRTY because it's getting shorted now. I don't like the chart. APRN is still not ready to pump. BBY got shorted as we said. We're gonna have a fill for this gap. ARVL getting shorted. TNXP is getting pumped now. It's getting pumped. It's going toward the first profit taken around $1.39. GSPR, oh man, GSPR is pumping. Okay, let me initiate. Boom, 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 boom. GSPR, where's GSPR? GSPR. So GSPR is pumping. Yeah, GSPR is pumping. Let me just put it there. There's a potential. Oh man, it's really pumping now. The possible support is the $2.25. Yeah, GSPR is pumping, and the profit taken should be the $3.43. We overextended right now, so I'll be waiting for a possible reversal, like what happened for ARVL. ARPN still, APE is down, HOLO is going down a bit. Yeah, we have a bit pullback now. You need to focus. You need to focus. The market is really volatile now. TNXP is still holding. Now let me just check. It's really hard to talk at the same time trade, you know. Yeah, now with some people trigger profit taking. That's why it's not good to buy when we have a huge pump like this. We have to watch. ARVL still is going down. Yeah, it was a really good trade at the beginning of the market open when we bought around this area. The 0.73, the price went to the first profit taken, the 80, and then got shorted around this 97 and then went down. This is really normal. GSPR is still holding, and there's a potential to go up again if we held above the $2.53. Let's see. Okay, let me just see. GSPR. Go in a smaller picture. Still have a struggle. For HOLO is getting down. Let me just check. Yeah. Fake out, fake out, a fake out. Around the 8 and the price got shorted. But this one is a bit light at volume. That's why I could actually open a big position. That's why we just put 500 and the price went down. As we said, the $6.22 should be the support. So this stock is a bit volatile. That's why it's really normal to have this kind of huge red candle and then go up again. Like what happened here. When the price got shorted, then we bought back and went up. So this should be the support for another try to break the $8.19 and at least go toward the $10. For APE, it's got shorted officially. We're gonna go below this ascending line and go dive back toward the $1. Yeah, the $1.90 should be the next support for APE if we broke this descending channel. GSPR still holding. Yes, we still holding. Let me just check which support we should hold in the big picture. Yeah, we have this support. The $3, yeah, the $3 should be the squeeze area for GSPR. Now we did 56%. We have a huge squeeze for GSPR around this area, the 38 cent or 38%, yeah. Friday, today, yeah, we did it today. So we need to have continuation for this price action. If we hold this support, let's say around the $2.45 for possible reversal and continuation toward the $3.43. So we'll wait, we'll see what's gonna happen. Let's see the list of the most gainer. We have GSPR the first, 57%. We got the other stock ZVSA. I don't like the chart accumulation here, then short. HTGM. We already triggered our profit taken. We did 40% for this one. Okay, this is looking promising. Looking promising. The $5.57 is looking like the support, and profit taken around the $7.27 already trigger it. So I will be waiting for entry around this support and a breakout around this level, $7.27. And let me just put I will add it to the list for possible trade for this one later on. PRAX, light volume, PHPH, no, SOS. Wow, it's been a while last time we discussed this one. A huge reversal like it happened for BBY, and the price reverse big time, and it's still pumping. 19%. So we add SOS for the list on the watch list. NATI pumping, REPX, BKKT has been shorted, 23% down. GSPR, what's going on with this one? Still holding, $2.45, still holding. We have another breakout zone around this area, the $2.38. Let me just check. We have two tests here, the $2.76. Possible breakout. If we hold the $2.45, we're gonna have a possible breakout. Boom. Yes. TNXP going up again toward our first profit taken, the $1.39. As we said, the $1.20 should hold for continuation up. Let's see if we could actually see this trade go into our first profit taken, then the $1.63. GSPR. I'm waiting for this one for a pump, for another pump. We're gonna have another pump after we clear the $2.74. What's gonna be? Let me just add those two. HTGM still holding. SOS, light volume, I'll take it out. So GSPR have a struggle now, huge struggle to overcome this level. ARVL, you know, the idea is to know when to get out. That's the idea. APRN, still let me just check. No, still not clear yet. APE is still holding. Let me just check. Yeah, still holding. Okay, HOLO got sold off. We don't hold the $6.22. Fake out around this level, the $8.19. Let me just go in a smaller picture. Yeah, 15 minute, 5 minute. Yeah, just 5 minute, even 5 minute candle didn't hold the breakout around the $8.19, and we got a huge short. Boom, huge short, and the price went down. So where we'll go after that? So we got shorted. This is a huge short now. So for this one, after 1 week of pump, now finally the shorts got hold of this stock. So after the last trade that we did last Friday, from the $3.30 until here 100% or 140, that's normal. A lot of people will take profit. So the bottom price is around the $3, but the first reversal we gonna have a bit of buying pressure, will be a bit of there around the $4. So yeah, we're gonna give half of the price that we actually went to. So we went until the 8, we're gonna give half the profit around the $4. So this is good to actually take profit on the way, don't just hold. GSPR still holding and fighting. Yeah, this one they have a potential to another bump if we clear the $2.74. That's why I'm just watching it closely. If we're still holding above the $2, of course, here we should hold it. $2.46. TNXP is fighting. Let's see if we go to above the $1.40 in the first hour of trading session. We might see this reaction happening now. Oh yeah, we got a really good question regarding Mullen. Mullen got shorted as well around our breakout zone. Yeah, the 40 cent. Got shorted once again, The 40 cent three test, triple bottom or triple top, and now we have two tests for the bottom, which is the 37. We need to hold this, otherwise we're gonna have at this level. The 33 should be the support next time. And the bottom is the 28.88. So we'll see if we don't retest this level. But this is weakness when we tested and we never actually broke this level. HTGM, what's gonna be? Yeah, HTGM is about to break this level. GSPR still fighting. I'm gonna have a really good breakout for this one. Let's see what's gonna happen for this. TNXP is getting shorted as well. Let's go in the big picture to see. Still holding. Still holding. Yeah, here. So for TNXP in the big picture, we have this box to hold around the 62 and the 81. Why we talk about this box is mean we don't have a sell-off. If the price went below this box, is mean a sell-off. If we held above it in the big picture, is mean we still continue to go higher and confirm this reversal. Because we already did, see how much we did. From the 30 cents until now, we did 300%. So really overextended. So if you want to buy right now, you have to buy and exit around our profit taking. Don't just hold, because there's a potential for recorrection. So this is normal when the market is overextended, like what happened to BBY. The price is going down today because correction. The price has been overextended. So many people taking profit. So this is normal that the price of BBY today is going down. You know why? Because we gonna have a bit of buying pressure from this box area. Now we see a bit buying pressure for BBY, and this is a really good wick that happened after this dip from the $4.67. There's someone buying. Still, we don't have a clear indication for breakout until we break the $5.27. Otherwise, we're gonna have continuation there. Okay. We have something. GSPR is pumping. GSPR is breaking out from our ascending line. Tested our support, the $2.48, and now is pumping. Exactly. Let's go. The $2.74 should be the breakout zone. And going higher once again. TNXP is getting shorted. Let me just check the bottom that we should hold. Otherwise, we're gonna have a big sell-off. Yeah, above the $1 should hold for TNXP for today. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off. So the $1.05 should be the support. And the first profit taken, as we said, around the $1.40, then the $1.63, and the $1.95. We might see this continuation if we just hold above the $1. Any price above the $1 is continuation for this bullish momentum. Any price below the $1 is a weakness and going toward this box. So what's gonna be for TNXP before the market close? We'll see. $1.05, let's say the $1.04. So the $1.04 is a continuation for the price, boom, up. Otherwise, we're gonna have this price here. This will be a really good dip to buy TNXP. GSPR is about to pump. Let me just check. Yeah, it's about to pump. Let me just check. Yeah, it's about to pump because we kind of escaped from this ascending line and now going to the squeeze area, the $2.74. HTGM got shorted. We didn't have a breakout here. That's why the price is going down. Mullen going up again after the support, the 37, as we said before. Okay. What's gonna happen for this one? GSPR. We need to break the $2.74 and hold above the $2.48 to have a squeeze. What's gonna be? Let me just check. What's gonna be? We're gonna have a huge break if we broke the $2.74. This is it. We already tested this level of breakout. So let me just put it this $2.74, and the other profit taken should be, let me just boom. It's a bit tricky, man, around this area. Yeah, the $3, maybe $3.28, maybe. Let me just put it there. And $3.71. So we have two profit taken for GSPR. If we broke the $2.74, let me just check how much we can do from this breakout. Yeah, 17%, 33%. But we need to hold the $2.48 as a bottom. A bit selling pressure. No, Mullen, no. So I'll put this one here. TNXP there. Hologram having buying pressure around $6 now. So this reaction will happen pretty soon. The price will go up around this area. If we get rejected, $4 will be our support. APE have a buying pressure again. APRN got shorted. Yeah, APRN got shorted from this flag. I don't like it now for APRN. BBY have a reversal now. Let's see what's gonna happen around this breakout zone, the 5.27. Otherwise, we're gonna continue to go down. Okay, TNXP is pumping. It's pumping again, as we said. We're gonna have continuation if we hold the $1.04. First profit taken $1.40, $1.60, and the $1.95. Let's see if we're gonna go there. And this is a really good candle here, huge green candle. That's why the price continued to go up. GSPR, let's have a struggle. Let me just check. $2.59. But this is a good green candle. We should hold right now because we already bought around this bottom. We don't want to have the price or this red candle go below the $2.48 because we might see a huge sell-off toward $1.66. So I will be extremely careful now to see what's gonna happen. There's a huge fight after this green candle. Let me see how much, yeah, a big sell-off. Let me just check, $2.47. Are we gonna hold? I don't like this. There's a huge wick here. Last fight for GSPR, last fight $2.45. Last fight, if we don't hold this level, it's game over. We're gonna have a huge dip. Let's see, $2.45, $2.45. Let's go. Where's the pull? Where's the bulls? Let's go. We have to have a huge reaction now because this is really important support. We need to hold it. We need to hold it to see a really genuine buying pressure. Okay, what's gonna be? $2.50. Support $2.45. There's another support if we don't have another big sell-off around $2.27, but I don't like this level of support. We need to hold this support at $2.45. Another green candle forming, 1 minute candle, printing right now, 5 minute candle. We have just 2 minutes to close this red candle. Are we gonna close it green? If we close it green, we're gonna have the squeeze for this red candle. We have just 2 minutes. So this is good that we have a wick now. We need to close green. This red candle, if it closes green, man, we're gonna have a huge buying pressure and squeeze. This is it, actually. This is it. We need to go back to the $2.74 to initiate the squeeze toward the $3.28 for GSPR. What's gonna be? $2.45, I don't like it. I don't like below this level. It mean weakness. It mean the short is winning. And we're gonna have a reversal maybe in power hour, not now. However, if we hold above the $2.45, will be game on for GSPR to squeeze once again. What's gonna be? We have just 1 minute. 1 minute left to the 5 minute candle will close. $2.54. $2.54. There is a huge fight, man, going on now. Somewhat bought here heavily. Let me just check how much this red candle. We got 26K and 45K. So the short is not like the buying pressure. So we have more buying pressure than selling pressure. So this is good. This is good. That's why we bought back. So there's someone buying. There's someone buying. Let's see. I think that the squeeze will initiate around the $2.68. Yeah. If we got around the $2.68, this would be really great. Now we have another selling pressure. There's a huge selling pressure, man. This is not a game here. This is the last chance for the short to cover, you know. That's why they put all the position right now. They put everything to short the stock. Okay, TNXP, the same reaction. We have a huge fight here on this circle between the $1.20 and the $1.30. This is a huge fight for TNXP to have another squeeze. Now we did 6%, just 6%. We might have another 25% before the market close. So I would be extremely careful, because let me just check. We need another support for TNXP to confirm a breakout. $1.20, yeah, the $1.20 we should hold it, man. $1.20, if we hold it, we're gonna have 25% or at least 8% and then 25%. So I'm watching closely TNXP and GSPR. GSPR is getting shorted heavily, man. Let me just check. Oh man, the short is heavily shorting GSPR now. Let me just check. $2.53. $2.53 for GSPR. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. Press the like button and the weigh-in. We do always live streaming on Friday. Usually we do 7 p.m. CET before and after our power hour, but today we did it early in the market open. So we're gonna do it daily. Almost every Friday or each day we might do the live streaming for this year each day when the market open. So if you prefer live streaming each day, let me know in the comment section below. And let's check GSPR. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for the breakout zone for the $2.74. And someone is shorting. As we said, the $2.45 is our support. We need to hold. There's a huge short open for the whole market. The whole market is shorted. HTGM have a potential for squeeze on the $7.21, but the short came in heavily. We got ARVL got shorted from our second profit taking around 97, as we said in the beginning of our video. This was a good entry around the 73, and we took our profit around the 81, but the price got shorted. Now we still holding above our last support, the 69. We might actually initiate a trade here. If we held this level, will be really good, but if we don't, is mean a short is won the game. Let me just check. Boom, 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 boom. No, I will put it there. Yeah. Huge short open for the whole market. So yeah, GSPR still fighting. Let's see if we still holding the $2.45 for the last support. Otherwise, as we said, the $2.27, then a bottom huge selling pressure if we don't hold those two supports. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge short. Huge short will open. We might go even around the $1.14 for possible bottom for GSPR. $2.46. Yeah, if we dipped below this wick, is mean game over. We need to hold above it, above the $2.43. Otherwise, it's game over for this stock. Let me just check. Yeah, still holding. $2.48. TNXP to the $1.29. Still holding. Where are the bulls, man? Where are the bulls? Let me just check if we have news. GSPR therapeutic to present positive data on acute myeloid leukemia treatment. So we have some kind of fundamental news about a new drug. That's why the price is pumping 50% for the pharmaceutical stock GSPR. Are we gonna have a squeeze right now or not? Because now or never. For GSPR, if we want to squeeze, as we said it, $2.45 should be the support, and the squeeze should be the $2.74, man. Otherwise, I don't like what's gonna happen to GSPR. TNXP is pumping now. Let me just go here. TNXP, yes, TNXP $1.30. Average price is around the $1.32. We'll see if we're gonna have a pump. Yeah, still struggling. We might have the first profit taken around the $1.40 if we're still holding above the $1.20. GSPR is pumping now. Is pumping from our support as we said, this is should be the bottom, man. We have to have now the $2.55. We have to see the $2.55 printing in order to confirm a bullish momentum. Right now, if now or never, let's see. Because last time we got rejected exactly around the $2.54. We need to have $2.55. Man, we don't want to see this. This is not good. I don't like this. 1 minute candle. Okay, let's see if we close green this one. Yeah, we have to close it green. We have to close it around the $2.55, then continue to go higher. And the start of the squeeze, as we said, will be around the $2.70. Yeah, we're gonna have the potential squeeze there. But now let me just check. It's still struggling. Man, I tell you, too much concentration and stress when you're trading, you know. But the idea is to be calm and let the price come to you. Never have kind of pushing the trade, you know, because we can't do anything. You can push the trade to go higher. You just have the signal and you enter and you exit. You have to have exit strategy and entry strategy. The rest is outside our control. Great, $2.55. This is good reaction. After we bought from the $2.45, as we said, this should be the bottom. Now we are pumping. $2.57, let's go. Let's see the $2.69 for squeeze. Let's go GSPR. We can do it. The bullish momentum is there. Everything is there. $2.60. We need $2.70. Come on. This will be an official squeeze around the $2.74. $2.61. Come on. Yeah, this is a really great bottom to buy. Boom. $2.64. Let me just check. Yeah, 6%. Perfect. TNXP is going up. Okay, we have TNXP. GSPR. Okay, TNXP is about to squeeze, and GSPR as well, but not yet. We need to have the $2.70 for a potential squeeze, even below the $2.74. This will be a really good indication that someone bought here. Huge whale bought around this dip. $2.45. Mullen. What's gonna happen to Mullen? 38. Okay, TNXP is pumping, going toward the $1.40. First profit taken. HTGM. Let me just check. Got still shorted around our breakout zone, the $7.20. ARVL. We already talked about ARVL. We already talked about ARVL, and we did the first trade around this area. This is 74. As we said, ARVL have a great support now. Is holding above the 69 support. Let us do a trade for this one because it's holding perfectly around this level, and we could actually exit around this level. So we might see a reversal now from this breakout zone. Let me just check. ARVL, boom. TNXP still down. Okay, ARVL. Let me just check again. Still. Let me just put this here. Yeah, GSPR getting shorted again. Not yet. We still have a possible squeeze for GSPR. TNXP still holding. ARVL. Yeah, ARVL, this is the bottom we should hold for today. 69.42 exactly. We need to hold this support. Let me check if we have another support. Let me just check around the 71 maybe. Okay. We have to focus on just one stock to check if we gonna have a breakout. Okay, we have something going on now. We have to break this descending channel, man. For possible squeeze, we need to break this around this area. Squeeze will happen there, otherwise we're gonna have another short. Okay, $2.61 now printing. $2.61. $2.63. $2.64. Come on, break. Come on, break this ascending channel. We need to have a break. Yeah, something about to happen, man. Something about to happen for GSPR. Look closely, there's something about to happen for GSPR now. Breaking. We want to see the $2.69. $2.62. Someone shorting heavily. Someone shorting heavily GSPR. Who are shorting? Who is shorting GSPR? GSPR want to squeeze, man. Let's see a squeeze. Let's see a squeeze. TNXP is still holding, going toward the $2.40. We have a bit of struggle around the $1.34. ARVL, it's going down maybe? No, it's going higher. Yeah, it's good. It's good. GSPR have a struggle. TNXP broke out. Yes. TNXP breakout from our trade. Let me just check our trade. Yes, we are in the money now. We already enter average price around the $1.32. Breakout $1.34. We're gonna have a huge bullish momentum for TNXP. GSPR, I still don't have a position. I'm waiting for a breakout. I'm waiting closely and patiently for GSPR breakout around the $2.74. ARVL have a support as we discuss it around the 69.42. We have a nice reversal, and this should be the bottom, and the breakout zone next time is the 80 cent to go toward the 97 cent. Let me just check how much we can do. Boom, 21%. TNXP 36. Perfect. Let's go. Yes, now 36. It should be 36. We need to update this. Yeah, 36 now. Average price 32. Let's go. GSPR is about to break. Warning for GSPR. TNXP. Yes, going towards our first profit taking the 40, as we discussed it in the beginning of our video when we traded GSPR around this pullback. You see this pullback, it was really good entry. You know why? Because we said the $1.20 is our support to confirm this bullish momentum and continuation toward those three profit taken for TNXP. Watch out, this is it. Now we did just 12%, so there's potential for another 20%. So take your profit on the way. GSPR is about to break. Squeeze alert. GSPR is about to squeeze. $2.64 breaking this ascending channel. This is good. Let me just check. Yeah, we need to have a clear breakout is around the $2.74. So we have to watch out for this squeeze area. And the profit taking after that, we're gonna have a huge buying pressure toward this profit taking. 18% around the $3.28. What's gonna be? Let's go. We have to drink water, man. The market is hot. We have a long weekend today for this weekend. So that's why we do live streaming early on and long one. We're gonna do really a marathon of live streaming today. Let's go. GSPR $2.67 going toward the $2.74. Let's go. We might get halted. Watch out. As we said it, this is the breakout. This is okay. Yes, let's go, baby. Let's go. Printing money, and I think it's got halted. No, false halt. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Perfect trade. Okay, man. I think it's gonna pump. Oh, get shorted. Ah, man, I don't like this. I don't like this. What's gonna happen? The short came in really heavily. We didn't have a clear breakout. Boom. I'm waiting. We're still holding. We're still holding the support. We're still holding. Let me just check. This is normal. The short came really heavily for GSPR. Really came really heavily for GSPR. So this is normal. Let me just check what's gonna happen. $2.45 is the support. Now we have our breakout zone around the $2.74, but we didn't hold even 1 minute. Imagine. Man, this is really crazy. Let's check what's gonna happen. Huge short opened. That's why we have to wait for a clear breakout. TNXP doing good, going toward the $1.37. HOLO going back again, buying pressure. So this is good. We might see a breakout for the 8 again. ARVL still holding. TNXP still bumping. GSPR, we might see another retest for the $2.74 if we hold the $2.45. Usually, always this has happened in the market. You know, that's why the market is really risky, guys. So you have to watch out. Don't copy me blindly. Day trading is risky. Do your due diligence. It's not a financial advice, okay? So be extremely careful, and you know that day trading is risky. GSPR got shorted around the $2.74. As we said, this is the breakout zone, and we have a good reaction actually, but the market is got shorted very quick. We didn't have 1 minute candle close even above the $2.74. If we go 5 minute candle, still huge short. 1 minute candle, still we don't have a closing candle. So next time we need to have a closing candle here to confirm the breakout. Now, not yet. TNXP is still pumping. Good trade for this one. This one is really risky now. $2.45 as a bottom. $2.45 as a bottom. But it's still holding. After this short, still holding. We'll see. This means someone buying. As we said, this should be the bottom. Otherwise, we'll confirm that the short seller won the game here, and we're gonna have a huge short. If we hold, it means a price retest for the $2.74. It seems the short are winning. It seems the shorts are winning for this stock. $2.45. TNXP, ARVL. It seems the shorts are winning. Wow, man, wow. Huge candle. Yeah, we did 8% and then shorted. Oh man. Let me just check the other stock. CVNA going back from red to green. HOLO is going up again. We might see now the $8 breakout. This will be a really good indication for the $10. This one is really volatile, so I will watch it. APE is going up again. It's good. Around the $1.58. We're getting near. APRN not good, so I'm taking out from this list. BBY still holding, so let me just take this off and put this ascending line like this for a possible breakout zone around this area. I'm watching $2.48. Yeah, the short is kind of controlling the market right now. That's why I don't like the beginning of the market, you know. It was like enter and exit, like for ARVL, the same as we did here. It was clear entry and exit. Yeah, just we did chart analysis for GameStop in the beginning, before we did live streaming. We talked about the potential bottom, the $10, and the potential squeeze, which is around this circle. So a lot of people ask me about GSPR and GameStop, AMC potential squeeze. Let me just check AMC pretty quick. AMC. Aha, so AMC have a really good reversal, going up again. Huge pump for AMC now, because we held above the $4.57. As we said, this should be the support. And let me just take this off, and this should be the breakout zone around this level, $5.35. So we have a huge buying pressure for AMC and APE as well. So it's gonna be for AMC. We're gonna have a pump. What else we had? Aha. So GSPR is getting shorted officially. So GSPR getting shorted officially now. Yeah, we're getting shorted officially if we broke this level of support after this rejection. Yeah, the shorts won. The short won a game if we broke this support. Now we have a huge buying pressure again. What's gonna be? This is kind of roller coaster ride for this stock, man. If we went up from this support and squeeze, would be a bull trap, you know. A lot of people got cut here and make a lot of people get out, then boom, the price will squeeze. We'll see. AMC still going up. TNXP have a bit selling pressure, but will continue to go up, let's say. Less volatile. It's not like GSPR, it's just moving bit by bit because the volume is a bit light on this one. ARVL. Yeah, ARVL getting shorted, so I'm not getting in again for ARVL until we clear the 80 cents. Otherwise, we might see another dip for this stock. Let me just check. Yeah, we might see a huge selling pressure if we broke the 69. So it'll be clear from this one until we have a clear support. The clear support, for my opinion, it will be around the 34. Yeah, let me just bring my box because I'm not extremely sure where's the box or where's the support. Yeah, the support should be around this box for ARVL between the 34 cent and the 37 cent. If, only if, we broke from the 57. So the 57 should be the support now. Around this area, boom. Yeah, around the 54 and the 57 should be the support. TNXP officially pumping. TNXP is officially pumping. We already did 5% now. We entered around the average price is the $1.32, and now is $1.39, and it's going toward the first profit taking the $1.40. So we're gonna take a bit of profit around the $1.40 and let the other one go. Yeah, first profit taking trigger, $1.40. First profit taking triggered, and we're gonna go up again. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna let it go because I think TNXP is a bit strong. Let me just check this one. This one is about to dump. This one is about to dump if we broke this level of support because we got rejected there. I don't like this. Yeah, we have this resistance. So if we don't clear the $2.54, we're gonna see this. If we don't bomb and if we don't break this level of resistance, we're gonna go this support. Let me check how much we can go down. Another 6% and potential reversal from this support, the $2.27. So this is the game plan. If we broke the $2.44 or 45, we're gonna have a huge short around the $2.27. And the most important level to break now to confirm that this was the bottom is the $2.54. TNXP is having a bit of selling pressure around the $2.40. Yeah, we're gonna have a bit of, we take a bit of profit. Let me just take half just in case, because $1.40 is triggered, profit taken. We just take off the table 4%, 50 is good, because we now getting down from our profit taken. The $1.40, as we said, is a resistance. GSPR is having struggle. What's gonna be? AMC still pumping, but yeah, the $5.35 is the resistance now, is a bit far from it. So I don't like to trade it because we are in midway. Always take profit on the way. Profit is always good. HOLO is going toward the $8 again. We have a bit of struggle. So if we want to clear, this buying pressure was good. Let me just check something out. We bought back from this level. Yeah, should be the bottom around the $5. Yeah. We adjust the support and we do another level to watch out for. Yeah, the breakout zone is still around the $8.19. And the support, if we don't want to have a sell-off, is the $6.22. So if we hold the $6.22, we're gonna break the $8 to go toward the $10 and beyond. And the ultimate profit taken for this stock is, as we said before, the 13 and the 15. But we need to hold the $6.22 as a support now. Never go below. TNXP still pumping. GSPR I think is gonna go down. No pump for the stock for today. Not today. Not today. The short seller has won the game once again. Everyone, we're gonna check your stocks later on. Now we just trading the stocks that have potential to squeeze, like GSPR. So I will just check all the question later on because the market is a bit hot now, and you see that GSPR have struggled to hold, and that's why we sold off now for GSPR. Yes, sold off. AMC is still bumping. GSPR is not good. Is not good, is not good, is not good. Game over, game over, game over. Because we got shorted here. It's not good reaction, man. It's not good reaction. Now it's gonna go toward the $2.27 as a possible reversal for GSPR. I will not touch it now. I will not touch it. It's a bit risky. That's why we didn't get in. You know, when the market pumped here, I was waiting until we have at least 5-minute candle to close to confirm who's are winning. Price went higher. People got cut here. FOMO buying, and the price went down. Boom. It's like a normal scenario. Normal scenario. TNXP is gonna go higher toward the $1.63, the second profit taken. First profit taken triggered for TNXP. ARVL still holding, doing good, doing good. Last support, as we said, this is the last support, the 69. If we want to have the squeeze for ARVL once again. Why, man? I really don't like the MAC. When I just go on the left like this, is just bring the like, man. I think I'm gonna turn it off, because when I go on the left side like this, it brings me all the bookmark website, you know, and by mistake I just click on one of them. That's why we go on the other website. Okay, GSPR, ARVL. ARVL got shorted as well. We didn't hold the 69, you see? Huge short open. So I will be clear from this one. Got shorted as well. We might see a buying pressure there around this box. This is the bottom for possible reversal. Otherwise, I will be clear right now. Mullen. Still below the 40 cent. HTGM. Okay, what's going on with this one? Yeah, we talk about double top and possible rejection. You know what we should do next time? We have to open short position, because buying is the same as selling, you know? If you sell short any stock, you just do the reversal. And instead, you're looking for signal for strength. We look for signal for weakness and short the stock. So we have a really good potential for a good trade here for this stock to short it. And let's see how much we could actually gain from this one. 15%. The other one, Mullen, we could actually short it easily around the 40 cent. Boom. 9%. ARVL, we could actually short it as well, near the second profit taken. Boom, 25%. TNXP is still strong, so I don't short it, because as we said, we might see price continuation. GSPR, clear short after we got this wick. Boom, the price went down almost 10%. So there's a lot of possibility to make a really good short trade at the same time buying. So maybe next time we open short trade at the same time buying trade. So we have to open like CFD account, you know, so you can actually buy and short at the same time, and you don't have to wait, you know. If the market is red, you make money. If the market is strong and bullish, you buy. So you go with the flow and you go with the wave. You're just serving the wave. You don't trade against the market. Okay, so we have 2,400 shares left in TNXP. We already did 5%, so we'll leave this trade on, because as we said, if we hold above the $2 is looking good to go higher. GSPR, as we said, we don't take this trade because we got shorted around this breakout zone, the $2.77. That's why the price going down. We'll see if we have a power hour for this stock. ARVL, we already did this trade in the beginning of our video, and we took our profit 10% around the 80 cents, and then the price got rejected around the second profit taken. Let me just check Virgin Galactic. Getting shorted as well. TNXP is going down again from the first profit taken. Let me just check. Yeah, this is the first profit taken and rejection area. We might see a pullback now. Yeah, because we kind of overextended. Now. $1.36. As we said, the $1.20 should be the support, and the bottom for TNXP is 80 cents and 60 cents. So we already took profit, and now we broken even if the price going down. We just trade with the profit that we made. So it's kind of risk free now. So let me just check. Yeah, the $1.20 will be a good support area now. ARVL is gonna go down. Now is a short opportunity to go down toward this box. Boom. We're gonna see this reaction going there. BBY. Wow. So we have a reversal, then we got rejected again around the $5.19. As we said, this is the breakout zone, but we got rejected for BBY. We'll watch BBY for possible trade for today if we broke the $5.19 and see if we could actually take profit 5% there around the $5.48 and the $5.70. So let me just put first BBY on our watch list for a possible trade. So BBY, we're gonna put it first. APE is the second, I think, because we get near this breakout zone. This stock double top for CVNA. Yeah, it's going down. GSPR is going down. So we watching BBY now. BBY for possible break for the $5.19. We already had a mini test and get rejected. Yeah, $5.24 to be exact. Breakout zone. First profit taken, quick profit taken around this level. $5.55 and the $5.72. Because this is a breakout zone here. That's why we should take profit and see what's gonna happen later. Later alligator. $5.58. Let's check crypto. There's something happening for cryptocurrency, guys. Something big is about to happen. Look, Bitcoin just bumped from our breakout zone, as we discussed it before in our video, the blue line, which is the 18,000, going toward the 20,000. So this is a huge signal, bullish signal for Bitcoin. You see it clearly that we have this descending channel. We have a test last year, March, then another test, November, and now a breakout this year. So this year might be a bullish continuation for Bitcoin, and this will be the bottom, the 15,000. If we hold above the 1835, so this is the support, and this is the first profit taken around the 2130. After that, the 2927 or 207. Let me check how much we can do from here. Another 10% for Bitcoin. If we held this current support, which is the 18. We're still pumping. Today we pumped almost 1%. Yeah, doing good. Ethereum Classic, breakout around the 22. ADA. Oh man, ADA is about to break as well. We might see this break in the weekend around the 34 cent. Boom.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
No, Siri. Go to sleep.
Going to sleep.
Oh man, this is always happen. Let's go to our list once again and go to BBY because it's about to break. We have an important level for BBY to break right now, which is the $5.24. What's gonna be? What's gonna be? Now we have a test for this descending channel. You see here we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4 tests, and the price got rejected. So we have to watch out for the $5.24 for a possible breakout and going toward this squeeze area between the $5.50 and the $5.85. Now we have another try to break this descending channel. As everybody knows, BBY was squeezing like the last few days, and we went from the $1 now until the $6. So we did almost 6x. Now we might have a potential reversal. If we don't overcome the $5.24, we're gonna fill this box between the $3.39 and the $3.70. So watch out for this dip if we don't clear this ascending channel. GSPR, AMC, TNXP. Wow, so TNXP is still fighting. 15% for today. We might see a continuation. ARVL is shorted. Mullen shorted. HTGM is reversing from the bottom, the $5.57. APE still holding this ascending line. HOLO is going down a bit, $6.96 or $6.92. Patience, man, patience. I think the best like teacher to be a patient in real life is by trading. Like, man, you're gonna be either patient or you're gonna lose money, or you don't have to trade anymore, because this is the most important thing or skill you have to master in order to be a good trader, is just waiting. Like for BBY, we wait. We never actually trigger any trade until we have a clear entry. Because if we don't have clear entry, it's better to not trade. Because trading or not trading is trading. Just think about it. Because if you trade and you lose money, it's not good. But if you don't trade, it means you don't lose money and you're not gaining money. So it's kind of a good way of preserving your profit and your money. Just think about it. Okay, so we have BBY on our watch list. First one that have potential to squeeze. We got the other one, AMC, as we said, is not good because we are in the middle. GSPR got shorted. That's why I'm watching for this possible reversal around the $2.27. And I'm watching this stock in after hours, not now, maybe later, if we broke this resistance. Now this is the breakout zone, the $2.46. We will watch if we broke this level. If we hold this level around $2.27, accumulate after hours, boom, we're gonna have the squeeze. This will be a good reaction to watch out for GSPR. Now is not good trade because we have to wait. TNXP is getting shorted from our first profit taken. That's why we always suggest to take profit. $1.40 and we went down, but we're still holding above the $1.20. So it's still in our list. So I'll put it down second to BBY. After that, we got ARVL. We already initiate our trade in the beginning in our live streaming that we did in the beginning of our the trading session, and the price went up and we suggest not to buy because we overextended. We wait for a pullback, we triggered the trade around the 73, boom, the price pumped. We take our profit taken around the 80 and the price continued to go higher, got rejected. We don't feel FOMO to buy really high. That's why, boom, the price got rejected and went down. Now we wait for this one for a power hour reversal and a big buying pressure once again after we fill this box. And of course, after we clear this breakout zone. So I'm watching this break for this resistance. And pom 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 pom. Let me just check the profit taken. This would be the profit taken after we clear this level and this one. Mullen, no. HTGM, maybe. It's a hard maybe. CVNA, no. So yeah, we have just two right now possible trade. HTGM. Let's see your questions, guys. George at 490 gets scared by shorts, took profit and get out. George, profit is profit, okay? Don't get scared or feel FOMO, you know? If you took your profit, is good. QBTS is pumping. Oh man, thank you for bringing this up to us. Let me just check. Don't forget to press the like button and the way in to trigger the YouTube algorithm to make more traders see our live streaming and benefit from this live streaming because it's educational, you know. And at the same time, we do live streaming each Friday, usually around 7 p.m. CET, but started from the next week, we might started doing it at the beginning of the trading session or before, just 30 minutes before the open of the open bills for the trading session. So stay tuned for the next live streaming that we're gonna do next Tuesday. I sold, okay. BBBY around $4.90. But let me just check this stock that's been pumping, that been QBTS. QBTS is pumping 30%. No. Wait a second. What's going on? Yeah, this one, 29%. I don't know, the volume is kind of barcoding now. I don't like it. Yeah, it's pumping alright, but I don't like the shorting, you know. It's kind of really low. There's no action. But we'll try to see a possible breakout here. Yeah, it's pumping. So the $1.88 would be a possible trade for this stock, but now it's getting shorted for the $2.12. Yeah, maybe. It's kind of risky a bit. We have a huge short open for the stock. Wow, we went from last year from the $5 and we went even around the $1. So I will be extremely careful from this stock. Just get in and get out. Okay, so what's going on? Yeah, we might take the first profit here around the $2 and the $2.37. Yeah, it looked good, kind of. I will put it on the list. It looked interesting. Thank you for sharing this with us. Who actually bought this, bring this to us? Saban Saluk. Thank you, Saban. Hopefully I pronounce your name right. George, look, George. Next time, don't feel panic, okay? If we have our trading strategy, if you have a trading strategy, you don't panic. You see it clearly that BBY started to go down since we have this test of descending channel. We're doing lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So yeah, the short is controlling BBY. That's why the price continued to go down. However, we could actually initiate another trade if we broke the $2.24. Otherwise, I will wait for this possible bottom around the $3.39 and $3.70. We might visit this area in power hour before the close of the market, and we're gonna have a reversal and taking profit next time around let me just check. This is, yeah, around the $4.25. So now this is a support, the $4.25. Next time would be a profit taken. Let me just check. Yeah, perfect. Let me just draw it back there. $4.20, kind of, yeah, our support. Let me just go in big picture. Yeah, it's a bit chubby, but okay. This support is not strong, okay? Not that strong. This support that we have to watch out. If we don't break this flag around this area, you see? If we don't clear it, it means price continuation, down, boom, around this area. So George, you see it clearly that with our charting and analysis, you have peace of mind, you know, you don't be panic. If the price went down, you get out to more discounted price. You don't have to hold. The worst case scenario for any trader to do is buying and never know when you have to get out. You know what's gonna happen? You be stressed, you be paranoid, you can't sleep at night, and you watch news and watch fundamental, and even if you watch news, you want the news to kind of be positive as possible. Even if it is negative, you have to, like, you're gonna form some bias toward the news, you know? So I don't like this to, like, this kind of emotion affect my trading. I just do my strategy that I tested before. If we broke some level, I get in. If we broke some support, I get out. Simple as that. Know when you to when to hold them, know when you fold them. Good one, Savian. Good one. By the way, guys, I got a question from you before regarding the merge. You know, let me just I don't know if I could bring it. Let me just bring this. Because I've been asked before regarding our clothes, our shirts, you know. So if we go on our channel, okay, if we go just okay, if we just go on any video that we did lately, that we did for BBY, and you see that we have our merch, okay, as this one, the same shirt that I'm wearing, you can have the same, and you can actually go to the website and pick your short that you like, and you can actually pick any short you like. You see this one? Yeah, there's so many colors. This one is really good that comes to you, you know. So the hunter way of trading, and it will be a really good to memorize, to never actually run after the price. So from back you have never run after the price, and the beginning you have let it comes, you know. So let me know if you like this kind of shirts, and we have other shirts you can pick, like this one as well. Look really good, and we have other ones you can pick which one you like. Okay, so we have hoodie, we have t-shirt, we have even mug. You drink your coffee, at the same time you remind yourself to never run after the price. So let me know if you pick one you like, and let's get ready to hunt. Because we got many, if you ask me about the shirt that I'm wearing. So I already did now, finally, for this year. And you can actually pick your shirt. Ape. Still, Ape is about to squeeze, man. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. Still hiding. Someone buying slowly. Look at this chart. Look at this chart, man. Every time we test, we have a huge buying pressure. Every time we're selling, we have someone buying, but not buying by bulk, but buying by small percentages. And the price is coiling up like a snake. Going up a bit, and down, going up a bit and down. Then boom, we're gonna have a huge explosion, man. I'm just watching it because this is gonna happen sooner rather than later. If we just hold this level, it will confirm my prediction for price target for Ape. As we have now requests from you guys where the profit taken, the ultimate one is before the $4. So we have, we might do another 150% in just in this month, okay? Because we have just 2 weeks left before the end of this month. So if Ape broke the next time the $1.58 and we held above it, because last time we broke, we got shorted. So we need to have 1 hour candle to close here to confirm this breakout, and then go for the first profit taken, the $1.90, then the $2.82, then the $3.96. And of course, if we broke this descending channel and never broke the $1.58, the bottom should be around the $1 and the 96 or the 91. This will be a huge reversal here for Ape for a possible another trade here. Boom, we're gonna have a profit taken around the $1.20. So either we enter around this area, the breakout zone, or we enter around the bottom. So either way, we could actually make money, or we could actually short Ape if we broke from this descending channel, then buy back and go up. So you can actually make money from down and up. So you double your profit. But this is kind of a bit more experienced trader, they could do that. So never do that, like short and buy. You be more unorganized, and you're gonna lose money because you be intense, you know, because it's kind of psychology. When you buy or you trade or you sell, you have to pick a side. Okay, if you are an experienced trader, you can actually buy and sell at the same time. But will need more time to perfect. At the beginning is really hard psychologically, but by doing it like this is easy. But if you do it, I can't explain it. It's kind of really hard. If you do it by yourself, you will know what I mean. So at the beginning, if you're a new trader, don't short and buy at the same time. Will make you lose money. Later on, you can actually do it, but at the same time, right now, just focus on buying. So as we said, for Ape, have a huge breakout will happen pretty soon. So I'm watching. This is not financial advice, okay? Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and know that day trading is risky. This is a really important thing to know, okay? Yes, man. Thank you. TNXP, it didn't sell off yet, Charlie. It didn't. This is not a sell off. This is accumulation. So this is a confirmed resistance. As we said, you have to take profit around the $1.40. That's why I see a bit of weakness, and we took half. And now we still accumulating. So if we accumulated just before the $1.40, we're gonna have explosion the next time we overcome the $1.40 to go toward the $1.63. So watch out for this level of resistance. It's confirmed right now. We have one candle, red candle, and another candle, and now we have accumulation and the volume is dropping. So there's someone selling secretly in dark pool, whatever. There's someone selling, so just watch out. We need to clear the $1.40 to confirm another breakout. Otherwise, we're gonna have a revisit for this bottom, the $1.20. This will happen in today, before the market close. Okay, this will happen today. It's kind of 90% chance we can actually trade here all day long, because this is really important level to break or go down. We can't actually just stay there. This is a critical area. BBBY is getting shorted. Yes, as we said, the $2.50, the $5.24 is the breakout zone. We didn't go. We have 3 tests. Boom, rejection, sell off. So I will be watching the $4.20 as a support. If we don't hold it, boom, this bottom will be felt before the market close. Just watch out. Many people will pump the stock. BBY will go to $10, will go to $20. We're gonna go, of course, but will take time. In the meantime, we have to take profit, get in, get out, okay? And use the money that we made with BBY, like 50%, 100% for other stock that ready to squeeze, like APE, as we said. APE is ready to squeeze, guys. So why are you waiting for BBY to jump once again if we know that APE would jump? So this is the game plan. Now APE is kind of picking up momentum. I'm watching it closely. I'm ready putting my alert for APE for potential squeeze. I'm watching. Yesterday we have a fake out here, you see? We have a fake out, the price didn't hold, boom, went down. But this time, after we went down, we held perfectly above our ascending line. So this is good reaction. GSPR still holding. Yeah, still holding, but I'm not touching it. After this sell-off, $2.74, I'm not touching it now. I'm watching. I have patience. Let the price come to me and never run after the price. Hi, Sufyan. Hi. It's confusing. Your name here, I see Charlie, but you say you call yourself Sufyan. Are you a secret agent? You don't know. You don't want anybody to know your name. Good. This is wise thing. Thank you, Sufyan. Thank you. Really appreciate it. A pilot. Good. It was actually my first objective to be a pilot, you know. But the life comes, you know, things happened and never actually focus on being a pilot. But it's really good. Flying and being free. This is really good. I think this would be on my list, you know, to be like have a like a pilot license, private pilot license. So I'm thinking about it. Maybe you have a suggestion for me, you know? Anyway, let me just check the other. Another 3 years there, ape squeezed on, you think? Okay, we got many question regarding ape. We got really many question regarding ape. Yeah, AVYA is WVL. Okay, before I forget, GSPR getting shorted. Not good, not good, not good. This reaction is not good. So be clear from GSPR. Everybody, be clear from GSPR. It's been shorted after this huge wick. So be extremely careful. ARVL have a bit of pullback. Is good, but is not clear yet. After we clear the 69 will be good. But this reaction will happen. Boom. Test and rejection and go in there. Mullen get it shorted. Ape it's about to pump. So I will be ready for ape trade. Let me just bring ape. Let me just see. Okay, let me just bring ape. Take this off. Take this off. Yeah, ape is here. Ape is there. Yeah, we'll initiate a trade for ape after we clear our resistance. Yeah, it's doing good. It's doing good. Ape is doing good. If we have a question if we gonna test again that ascending line. I don't know exactly. We don't know for sure unless we have a rejection again around the $1.58. We're gonna have a test for ascending line. Otherwise, this will be it. A breakout, a clear breakout before the market close. This would be a great ending of this long weekend for ape. For a huge opener for the next Tuesday, we might open around the $2.82. I'm not pumping the stock, I'm just seeing the chart, okay? Because we've been pumping like or accumulating since last year in December. So this is, let me just bring something to show you exactly. This triangle, look. Man, this one has been pumped like so many days. Look. This crazy, man. This is really crazy. Who buying ape now is accumulating like this for many days after this short here. I'm telling you, this is crazy pump gonna happen. I'm waiting patiently. As long as we hold this triangle, we're gonna have a squeeze. If we don't, we're gonna have a short. So this is really a high risk, high reward trade. So let's see what's gonna happen for ape. I already put my alert around the $1.58 to see if we have a clear breakout, because yesterday we have a fake out. We had QBTS. What's going on? We have a breakout. We have I don't like this, you see? I don't like this reaction. Going up, we don't test our profit taken, we went down. Okay. I don't like this stock. I don't like this stock anymore. So this one, boom. I don't like it from the beginning because we barcoding and the candle doesn't look full, you know? There's a huge manipulation with this stock. So I don't suggest to trade it, okay? I'll just take it out from our list. HTGM, this one I will trade it in after hours if we held this support. BBY, it's getting shorted, so I'm not buying BBY until we break this descending channel. Or we're gonna buy it around this discounted price, around this box. This would be felt pretty soon. We might see a huge selling pressure later on, and we're gonna fill it. So I'm waiting. TNXP, is bumping, as we said it before. It's bumping. We enter around the 32 and now we're already 5% up. I'm letting this go because, as we said, TNXP is really strong. That's why we have the first profit taken around the $1.30. We got rejected. Now there's a possible breakout for the $1.40 and continue to go higher. So I'm watching TNXP for possible breakout and going toward the $1.63. Another 15%. We might see another. We might end the market today for TNXP with 30%. Now it's 15%. So it's doable. It's doable. So I put TNXP first, BBY second, APE. Oh man, APE is bumping. APE is bumping. Let me just put it first. APE is pumping. Is pumping. I'm watching APE and TNXP for possible trade. BBY, no. HTGM will take time. GSPR got shorted. ARVL, is bumping now from the resistance. This is good. Huge volume, but I will see what's going to happen here. Yeah, there's possible trade now for ARVL. If we held, we have a support there around the 67. ARVL. So ARVL looking good. ARVL is looking good. If we held the 67, we're gonna have a possible profit taken around the 73. So ARVL after APE. Okay, let me just see ARVL looking good. Let me just go in the smaller picture. 69. APE is still bumping. TNXP still bumping. Yeah, ARVL, let me just watch ARVL for potential pump now. I will buy ARVL now. Let's see for the 73 profit taken. APE is about to break. APE is about to break. Breakout alert for APE. ARVL is about to squeeze once again after this short that opened around the 90. You might see a huge reversal now. We have a support now around the 67. Breakout around the 69. First profit taken around the 73, 79. Let's see. TNXP is going up again. Patience is key. APE. Let me just take this off to see clearly the breakout. TNXP is bumping $1.40. Potential squeeze now for TNXP. APE is going down. Of course, getting near the $1.58. ARVL is going down a bit. Let's see if we hold. It's like the same guy who's shorting ARVL, shorting APE. Okay, what's gonna happen now? This is a huge red candle or green candle for ARVL. So we need to hold this level. It's better to hold above this level, the 69. Let me just check here. 69. APE is going down. TNXP is still holding. Light volume, man. Volume is like a blood, like oxygen for the stock. The more volume, the more the stock will be alive. Okay, TNXP, I don't like this reaction. Going below the 69. Okay, TNXP is pumping officially. Okay. So you know what I'm gonna do? This one I'm gonna close it because I don't like it. We have a bit of weakness. I'm gonna open a trade for TNXP again. APE is getting near the breakout zone. This one is still holding. We don't like this. We might see the price going down again. Around the 69. We have to have a huge buying pressure now. No, selling pressure. I'm gonna close it and go to TNXP. Okay, TNXP is going toward the $1.39 again. Let me just check. We have TNXP and APE. Both of them have low volatility. The volume is good, but low volatility and float. That's why we don't have mini price action for both of them. Still sleeping. And those kind of stocks jumping in the last time we jumped for APE, we did it in pre-market. Last year we jumped almost 100%. So this reaction will happen, I think, maybe next Tuesday when market open, because now still we have low volatility. You see the price stay for a while around the 57 and never move. Take a bit of time to move. So yeah, let me just take this off. ARVL. You just put this there. I think it's gonna go down, really down, if we broke this, the 69. After we have this descending channel break is really weak because we tested from above here. Yeah, TNXP is doing good, $1.42. Okay, so APE $1 1% up, and TNXP doing good. So both of them, they are really doing good. ARVL is not good. ARVL is not looking good. Okay, so take this off. GSPR no. TNXP, yeah. So TNXP is doing good. APE is doing good as well. APE is about to break. So let me just be ready to buy APE, TNXP. HOLO is going up now, 4%. It's going toward the breakout zone. This time, if we broke the $8, we're gonna have official squeeze. Official squeeze for hologram. We got APE as well. TNXP doing good. ARVL. TNXP, APE. Okay, let me just add position for TNXP, and let me just go to AMC and open a position here. Yeah, it's about to squeeze. Let me just wait a second. So APE is still not ready, but TNXP is ready. TNXP is ready to squeeze. $1.42 and going toward higher toward the $1.60 and beyond. Let's see if we have another profit taken. Yeah, around the $1.50 we might see we're gonna take out around the $1.49. Yeah, $1.49 I'm gonna take a profit before the $1.63. APE is about to squeeze. Yeah, the stock on our watch list is TNXP and APE. I'm watching those stocks closely. We have ARVL is reversing from the bottom as we discussed before, the 67, and we have reversal from there. Yeah, the 67. So we got shopped out from this trade. Yeah. So as we suggest, yeah, the 67 is the support. We held it, now we reverse, but I don't trust it yet. I don't trust this trade yet. That's why we suggest to add more on TNXP trade, because there's a potential for jump toward the $1.49. Yeah, another 4%. APE is about to squeeze, guys. APE is about to squeeze right now. Let me just put this. I'm ready to buy APE, but not now. Still, just waiting for confirmation. Yeah, for the people who are asking about BBY, we still don't have any breakout zone. As we said before, the BBY is still trading below this bear channel. That's why the short are winning the game and got shorted here. And we got shorted almost, let me just check, 11%. So the price will continue toward this box. I'm waiting to buy APE, $1.56. TNXP is pumping. We expect the price will go toward the $1.49, 4%. BBY is down. ARVL is pumping. Let me just check. Yeah, this one would be a breakout zone. Yeah. $1.44. TNXP is officially pumping. TNXP going higher. We might see a huge pump for this stock. There's potential for 33% for this stock. We'll see. We'll see if we go there. It's like everybody's selling BBY and going for TNXP now. What a volatile day, man. The price got shorted 36%, then pumped 50% for hologram. Unpredictable. This one, nobody can predict this, you know, the short and pump, because this stock is pretty volatile. As we said, we did already 150%. But the thing that I would be most certain of is clearing the $8.19 to go higher for a potential squeeze here and short cover. APE is still just closing around the $1.58, and my brokerage account, yeah, $1.61 now. $1.61. Let me just put a trade for APE. Look really interesting. Let me just put let's start with just 1,500, okay? 1,500 share for APE. TNXP, what's gonna be? APE now is around the $1.61. Still, we want to have the $2, man, or at least the $1.80 for today. We need to have the $1.80. So TNXP and APE, top stocks on our list. Potential squeeze for APE, as we said before. Price has been holding above this descending channel and is starting to squeeze now. Let me just see. Yeah, big slippage for APE. We have yeah, the 1 hour, man. This green candle, we have to close above this orange line to confirm a breakout. Yeah, here, still testing. But this is a really good reaction. We have 2 green candle. Let me check the volume for him. 200K, yeah, a huge someone bought here. Really big position for APE. For TNXP, we broke the $1.40, as we said, first profit taken. Now we went until the $1.44. There's possible potential to go to $1.63. So I'll be watching for this before the market close. Okay, let me just check everybody. How everybody doing? Are we in green or in red? Let me know in comment section. By the way, we already discussed BBY. We said the price got shorted. And we're gonna do a video after this live streaming regarding BBY, an update. of course, for breakout zone, the support and everything you want to know. So don't worry, we're gonna do update. And of course, let me just check our live streaming watch list for today. Let me see the notification. We got 3 notifications for our hunters. And yeah, we got a huge list, you see. We have Lynette ask about any Sphere 3D. We got Muhammad or Mohan ask about HKD and BKKT. BKKT I got actually shorted. We got CLSK, TNXP, show more. We have many requested stock today. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take let me just check. I'm gonna take 1 stock for each hunter on our Patreon, so to cover at least 1 stock for any request. Let me just check, because today we traded and we don't have really time to cover all the requested stock. TNXP. Let me just check for George, my brother. FUBO. Luis. Yeah, Luis is working right now. Yeah, the time difference in Miami and Paris is a really wide one. So yeah, let me just check the last one. Hexo. Let us check our requested stock for today. GSPR, AMC, HOLO. Okay, let me bring my list. Okay, we got first stock on our list, which is any. Okay, Lynette asked about any. So we got a new support to hold for this stock in the big picture. And we have a breakout zone for this stock around this level, 50 cents. Profit taken there. Let me just check this. Boom. 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 So Lynette, look with me. This one look pretty straightforward. We have a breakout zone around the 50 cent, support around the 36 cent. We need to hold this support to have a possible continuation for the price toward the 65 and the 88 resistance. And the next one we have HKD. HKD is going down heavily and got shorted. Now we should hold above our support, which is the $10.45. This is the last bottom in order to have this reversal around the $13.63. CLSK $2.63. We have a possible breakout for the next week. We already test this level. Looking really interesting, because the $2.79 will be a breakout for the next week for a profit taken around the $3.25, I believe. And the next one around the $3.87. And the support is clearly the support is kind of tricky, you know. We don't have support, but we have instead a ascending line. We need to hold it in order to confirm this breakout and going toward the $3.25 and the $3.87. FUBO, what's going on with this one? Okay, we broke from the support, which is the $2.35, now is turning to our resistance. We should actually test. If we tested and we got rejected, it means continuation for the price down. If we broke it, hallelujah, this means we're gonna take a profit around the $2. Oh no, not the $2. I think there, $2.66. Second profit taken, $2.99, and the third $3.75. Jamaya or GMIA. Support $3.43. Let me just check. Okay, this one is a bit tricky. Okay, this one is a bit tricky for me. We have descending channel. Okay, this is perfect. We have a breakout from this bearish channel that we started doing. Wow, man, since August last year. So yeah, we have a kind of breakout. I don't like this because it's a bit chubby, you know. We don't have kind of clear breakout. So we need to make this our bottom. Possible breakout and going higher is the $4.75. If we don't clear it, we're gonna dive back down to the $2.95. If we clear it, we're gonna have a really good continuation for this stock. Let me just check where we should take the first profit taken. Yeah, the first profit taken is give or take around the $5.78. Then we're gonna have the $8 HIXO. What's going on with this stock? Oh man, a huge short open for this stock. Wow, I don't like this. We have a reverse split, that's why, you know. Let me just check how much the reverse split. 1 to 14. Wow, this is a big dive down, my brother. This is a huge dive. But something happened. Someone bought around the $1.28. So this is the new support, the $1.28. This is a breakout zone for entry, for a possible entry for a bullish trend. So the $2.15. If you didn't enter yet, I wouldn't suggest to enter now until we break the $2.15, or we enter and we have a stop loss around the $1.28. We need to hold it, because if we don't hold this gap, this means boom, sell off. If we hold it, we can actually buy this dip for potential profit taken around the $2.15. Yeah, we covered most all the requested stock on our Patreon, because our hunters just ask. We always do live streaming watch list, so we cover first the stock been requested here on our hunter channel. So today we have a long list, so that's why we took just one stock for each hunter. Let me just check here. Plus the like button and the way in. If you're new here, we already talked about when we actually go live. Always we go on Friday, but this year we try to do it daily after the market open, or just before the market open, 13 minutes. So we have our watch list, the stock that have potential to squeeze, and we trade them when the market open. Then we cover the stocks that been requested here on our live streaming. Last year we do live streaming each Friday around 7 p.m. CET, before, like in after hours, okay, or power hour. But we got many requests last year regarding doing more often live streaming. That's why we're changing the play a bit. We're doing live streaming right now around the beginning of the trading session. So hopefully this will be better for this year, for more action, and to know how the market work. You know, it's better just doing a video, because live streaming you just know how everything work. You know, the exit point, profit taken, everything. You know, it's better than video, because the video would be after the action is died or after the action is over. So we try to perfect or make our channel to be better. So that's why we just take the suggestion from you guys and try to do better. So if you have any question or suggestions, just let me know in the comment section below. And before I forget, because on our community section, we're gonna do a poll. Let me just go here on our channel. If you're using your laptop, you see here below my face, you see home and you see videos, short, live. Then you have a community section here where we should do a poll. Okay, when we see do a poll here, is mean we'll ask like a question regarding the best time for live streaming or a watch list or anything. You just go on community section and you just vote for your live streaming stock. You see it here, live streaming stocks focus. You see, last time we did this before AMC won, no, BBIG won 42%. Then we have AMC, then BBY, then Tesla. So the next time we're gonna do this poll, so you just suggest which stock should be covered first, you know, on our live streaming. And you see it always here on our community section where we do our the poll, you know. And as well, we do always pre-market update and watch lists for our hunters, you know, in the communities in Patreon, and as well here on YouTube membership. Okay, perfect. Let me just go here. And you see here our members, there's many members. You can actually join and check which one you can welcome in. And let me just check. Yeah, we have just 2 levels, you know, the first level and the second level. And yeah, we have important things to say. We're gonna do 1 level, okay? I don't want to make it confusing for many traders here, you know. So we're gonna do 1 level. So if you got notification in the coming days that your membership was deleted, don't be paranoid. It means I deleted the levels. Okay, I'm gonna delete those 2 levels and make just 1 level for all traders, you know. It's less confusing, and just 1 level for all hunters. So expect this change for the next month. Okay, we're gonna do 1 level for the hunters here. So when I delete the level, you just rejoin. Okay, don't forget to rejoin next month if you already member to our community section here and the membership channel on YouTube. Wait a second, let me just check. Yeah, APE is still struggling and slow volume. TNXP is still holding. TNXP is still holding. Yeah, patient man, patience. We might see this price action for TNXP and APE and after hours. So we're gonna do update, okay, a video update for what's going on with the market. If you came late or you don't see your stock, we're gonna do a video for BBY, of course, because it's still holding above our support, which is the $4.20. And there's a possible breakout. So we're gonna do a video for BBY after the live streaming for a possible breakout and profit taking. And we're gonna discuss the stock on our watch list that we talked about here for today, like HKD and maybe just BBY. And a video, we're gonna do it on Monday or Sunday, okay, at 8 p.m. CET. We're gonna take all the stock that have potential to squeeze for the next week, and we build a strategy for them, the entry point, the exit point, the profit taking for the next week. Each time we do this on Sunday and Monday, okay, at 8 p.m. CET. So stay tuned for that. We have a long weekend, so we might do it on Monday. So watch out for this video. And let us go back and check if we have any question here. Let me see. ARVL, here we go again. Yes, it's going up again. It's holding 67 and it's going from the 0.73. There's a potential from a pump for the 73. Yeah, there's a potential pump for the 73. But as we said, the 73 is a profit taking and a rejection area. Let me just put APE here, TNXP, ARVL, BBBY, for possible breakout zone. This one really looking interesting. Let me just put it there. HKD, no, any kind of good. HTGM. Okay, it's promising. This one is promising for a possible breakout. CLSK. GSPR to the depth. Okay. Now we have a focus. APE, we have TNXP pumping, perfect. Let me just check TNXP. Okay, TNXP is pumping now. We added some more, and our average now is around the 42, and we have 2% 50, and the price go toward the $1.56, $1.57. Let's go. Let's squeeze. $1.49. I'm gonna take my first profit taken for TNXP. Let's see if we go there. $1.47, $1.45. APE is going up. $1.60. Okay, so we have two trades open. We have APE and we have TNXP. ARVL, we closed this trade early on. ARVL, it's going up. It's going up, this one. Okay, interesting. It's got back from our support, as we said before, but we sold around this other support here. It was better if we held above this support, but we didn't. You see, kind of those kind of stocks you have to risk more to gain more. Around this level, and we exit there with just 1% loss, but the price went until 3.47 loss. But after that, we could actually make 5%. So you have to risk in order to get the biscuit. You have to risk it. You have to risk it to get the biscuit. I don't know what to say, this slogan. ARVL is pumping. Yeah, it's pumping. All right, it's pumping now. Yeah, TNXP is moving. TNXP is strong. ARVL is pumping as well. HPLZ, we got some question around the HPLZ. Okay. Plus the like button and the way in. Don't forget this. In order to kick the algorithm up for our channel and make more traders see our channel. ARVL is pumping. ARVL is pumping. Let me just put this in orange. And we have a breakout. We have a lift off. A lift off for ARVL. Let me just check. Yeah, we have a lift off. 104 worth of volume. This is really looking good. Yeah, 8% now from this dip. Wait a second, guys.